Each new day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new vocabulary, a new word to enrich your English. It is swagger. Swagger. The pronunciation for this word is swagger. 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 R is silent here. You should not pronounce the letter R. So, you should pronounce this word as swagger. Swagger is an adjective because it describes a noun. Noun is a name of animals, place, things, and persons. So, swagger describes a noun. Let's look at the meaning of this word swagger. To walk in a way that shows that you are too confident or proud. It is called swagger. A way of walking or behaving that shows you have a lot of confidence. To walk or behave in a way that shows that you are very confident and think that you are important. It is meant as swagger. Swagger means a way of walking confidently and a way of behaving that you are very important person in that area, in that scenario. It's called swagger. Now, let's look at the usage. How you can use this word swagger in your sentence. Look at this example. The president swaggers into the palace. It means the president walks in a confident way into the palace. His behavior shows that he has a lot of confidence and proud. Number 2, Naveen walked with swagger and would laugh and joke confidently on the street even with strangers. Number 3, I give him a badge, he swaggers about with his badge. I give him a badge, he walks confidently with his badge. He walks proudly with his badge. And the last example, he was an arrogant, swaggering young man. He was a confident and proud young man. So, swagger means walking confidently and proudly, behaving that you are confident and you are a very important person. So far in this class, we have discussed the pronunciation, meaning, and usage of the word swagger. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.